Pag-vaccine, meron yung sa tayo mo pag tanda ko. Dapat ko ba niya ito? Dapat ko niya ito gusto. Dapat ba? Sa mga pila, ako ra ba kay, di palit ko. Para sa talong nilawa sa kadaon. Uy, nakadaon mo kadaon to. Mamang kadaon mo na itong nagkita. O magdaling mo kumaan to. Ano naman ron? Asan? Ang matag sa pagka ng uy, labi. Oh, oh,
Teacher,
Yes.
you, you say today we will have free talking.
Okay, free talking. Okay, what is our topic for today? What do you want?
Um, we think.
Okay, you think. Okay, I have here a topic about clothing. Okay,
Okay.
you can share your screen.
No. I think we will talk about um how do we spend on our weekends?
How do you spend your weekend?
As so,
Okay, so how do you spend your weekend, me?
my weekend um on weekends I often spend time with my family. On Saturday morning, I often go. I often drink coffee with my parents.
Oh, really? You drink coffee every morning?
No,
Saturday
like
morning?
it. Yeah, like in the shop.
In the shop?
In the
Morning?
coffee shop.
Coffee shop? What
Yes.
coffee did you drink?
I drink like milk tea.
Milk tea. Okay, in the coffee shop. After
And
that,
after that, I always like my dad always arrive me to English school, and then in the evening we eat dinner and talk about something with my family and go to bed very late,
okay, what time do you go to bed?
like 11.
Oh, it's very late already because,
Yes.
yeah.
On Sunday morning I also like go I also go to English school and like drink coffee like that. And uh, mm, uh, besides at weekend, my family will usually like talk together and like and we also um we also talk together in talk like talk about something with each other, but uh, and we sometimes watch TV together.
How about your brother? How about
My
Ken?
brother, what?
Ken.
He she usually like plays the guitar.
In Sunday?
He plays the guitar in his free time.
Free time. What else? What else can do? Ken supposedly have IELTS class, but he did not enter the class anymore. Your brother. Okay, how about your mom?
Um,
Your mom doesn't have to go to work on Saturday and Sunday?
Now my mom just go to work um on Saturday morning.
Ah, Saturday morning. Okay, wait me ha. Yung basa ko, it's okay. Hey, do you know what is this? Do you have like this?
Sauce? A sauce?
Yeah, it's sauce, ketchup.
Yes, sauce.
You will gonna put it here in the, and this one. Wait, this one, yeah. Do you know this, yeah?
Oh, it's I think
Spring rolls.
like that.
Yeah, it's spring rolls.
I sometimes eat it. My mom cooks. My mom sometimes cooks it.
It is spring rolls.
Spring rolls.
Yeah, spring rolls. Okay, what else?
I don't know.
Okay, today you don't need to go to school because it's holiday in Vietnam. So what did you do today? Yeah, what did you do today? Yeah, what did you do today?
What?
What did you do today? You didn't have
Uh,
school. You don't
I
need
don't
to go to
know.
school.
Yes, I didn't go to school. I just like study every day.
Will become smart.
Because before have like summer before finish my school, I have an exam, and so I have my this review the lesson.
Ah, very good. Okay. So, will Tono be having the flyers test also? Will Tono gonna have
What?
to take it? Tono. Will Tono have to take the flyers test?
Like where?
I don't know. Flyers test. Will
Like
Tono?
me?
Yeah,
Like
like
me?
you. Yeah,
Like when I send my photo?
yeah. What?
No,
Why? Did you ask?
I don't know.
Did you ask Tono?
No, because uh, no, because when I study at Pubudu school, um at school they have like starter, mover, flyer, Cambridge, and we have like the test
Mm.
to the test like flyers, but no, it's not study every no, not study at like Pubudu school.
Ah, okay. So you studying English with me and to other teacher also in Vietnam or the other school?
When I just like study Pubudu before, but now I study at ILA school.
Ah, okay, the ILA school. ILA.
Yeah,
Antonio did not study
I
ILA?
nah, because it's very like um
Expensive?
I don't want to study at ILA school because it's very expensive.
Mm.
But
What you
my
study before?
parents I studied before at Pubudu school.
ILA is very expensive because that's International Learning Academy. Yeah, it's
Yeah.
very expensive.
Oh, how did you know?
Yeah, because it's famous, of course.
Oh, yes.
Mm.
It's very famous.
Yeah, it's very famous. most of the foreigner will going to study at ILA school. Okay, like if they have enough money, they will going to study there because it is an international school. But of course, it's
Yes,
very expensive
I
now.
think I think uh I I I just study uh I just uh, um I just study at public school, but when my school the Puru the Puru changed schedule, and the schedule I was like very busy, so my parents want me to change from Boogadoo to ILA school, but ILA is very expensive. I don't want to study that, but my parents like
Okay. Well, when will you going to study ILA?
on Saturday morning and Sunday morning.
Oh, really? So you study
Yeah,
English for me, and then also you studied ILA together? You have two English teachers? Okay, what did you learn in the ILA?
I learned about project. We have so many projects
Project, it's
like
project.
project
This one, this one. Wait me ha. This one? That one?
project.
Yeah,
Yeah project.
it's project, project. Okay, so what will you do with the project?
Uh, like we speak, and we also like speak very much, like so much.
Okay, that is
We speak that so much. So
okay. Yeah, that is why you want us to speak always.
we like we hmm?
That is why you want us to speak always.
Like teacher
Mm.
in our school in our school we like have many projects.
Mm-hmm.
We have many projects and and association for many students.
Mm-mm-mm. Okay. Okay, so that's why you have two teachers. You went to English for two. You have an
Yes,
online teachers and you have also teachers from
and
ILA. But Tono did not enroll in the ILA.
no,
Mm-hmm. Did not enroll in the ILA.
she just study with you.
But before, Tono did
And
not study anything.
yeah, Tono is just study with you and with a Vietnamese teacher.
Mm.
Yeah, and with Vietnamese teacher who like um like who teach English, teaches
English.
English.
Yes, yeah, okay. How about you? Do you have Vietnamese teacher who speak English or who teach English or no? Not anymore.
I studied with you,
Mm-hmm.
my Vietnamese teacher, and
Mm.
Ai.
Oh my God, three?
Yes, we. But in my class at IOA, we have two teachers, a foreign teacher and Vietnamese teacher. Vietnamese
Okay.
teacher is like like
Assistant teacher. Assistant.
what?
Assistant teacher like this.
No, wait. Um,
Tagaan
I
ba rin
think
tao eh?
just like assistant teacher.
Yeah, I told you. Assistant
Um,
teacher. Yeah,
yeah,
because Vietnamese teacher can speak Vietnamese.
yeah. Vietnamese teacher is we in Iowa at class we have two teachers. The foreign teacher is also teach us about like project, about how to do project and like grammar,
Hmm.
pronunciation,
The
uh,
pronunciation.
yeah, pronunciation and like speaking, listening. But my assistant, like teacher assistant, in Vietnamese teacher. She also teaches us in our break time at IELTS class.
Yeah, that's why you're very good in English already. Oh, I've been with you for 2 years, I guess, right? We are already 2 years. Me, you and Teacher Anne, we are already 2 years. We've been together with 2 years.
Oh,
Hmm?
I
2 years
think
already, I think. Right, 2 years or 1 year more, like that.
oh,
Mm. Today is 2024. I guess we started 2021 or 2022, like that. Yes. Ngu is just new to me. Okay. So you're the one who tell no about me, right? Ni?
teacher go to
Yeah.
how?
Mm-hmm. I am, yeah, this one. You are the one who tell no that I am your teacher, right?
Huh?
Okay. You
You
tell,
are the one who tell no that I am your teacher. Yeah.
yeah.
Like I study with you and then I will tell you teacher and as teaches me and you can study with teacher and too.
Ah,
Like
okay. So that's okay. So that's why No is studying with me. Okay. But you are better because you've been having three teachers. You have Vietnamese teachers, you have ILA, and you have me. So how much did you pay for the ILA? ILA is expensive.
yeah, it's very expensive.
Like how much
Like
did you pay?
uh, I think uh, 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 um
You can write
um
me.
my in my class one English course is 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 4 months. Is
Mm-mm-mm.
4 months, and that in that one English course we have to pay like um I think uh 40 million dong. I think that because my parents told me, but it's very expensive.
40 million, and then like how many in a week? How many classes do you have? Two only in a week?
Yeah, two only, but
Okay, so
in
yeah, two in a
in
week,
yeah,
eight,
two in a week.
eight, uh, 8 in a month, 8 lessons in a month,
Yes, 8 lessons a month. But
and then 4 months,
one English course, we have 4 months.
4 months. So 8 times 4, 8 times 4, that's 24.
Yes,
24
like
lessons.
24.
Oh my God, it's very expensive. No. Angi.
Oh no, I see.
Oh, you know what? You are with me. I've been teaching 12 lessons for you in a month, 12 lessons in a month. And your
Oh,
dad will only pay like,
but teacher, sometimes we just do projects.
um, 12 lesson is only
But you
1,200,
know,
one year.
I'm thinking. I mean, study at IELTS is very expensive. I don't want um to study at that because it's very expensive. But my parents want me to like
That's okay.
study at that school.
Yeah, that's okay. That's okay. So example, oh wait
Teacher,
Mm-hmm.
um, like I study Saturday and Sunday, and
Mm.
Saturday is we can pay for Saturday is $500,000.
You know how much? For the 40 million in 24 months, 24 lessons, you will gonna pay one lesson 1,600 dong.
So one session
1
is
million, 1,600,000 dong in one lesson. That's one lesson. Very expensive. Okay, that's already roughly 16 lessons in our lessons. Okay, very expensive. That's the reason why
one lesson.
no,
In one lesson, we can pay for 500 five
yeah.
hundred thousand dollars. It's very
And
expensive. I don't want to study at that.
yeah, okay. So what you will gonna pay 40 million dong, 40, 40.
It's very like
Like
expensive.
this. 40 million, 40 million dong for 4 months, right? Very
Oh, I
expensive.
don't know. I don't know this year.
Very expensive. Okay,
Yes,
that's ILA. ILA is actually very expensive because that is an
but
international
but
school.
but it's also very popular, very
That's why.
famous,
That's why.
and the foreign teacher is I think is good. They are very
Mm-mm.
good. So it it it's just expensive.
Yes, yeah, I understand. Okay,
Yeah.
yeah, I understand. That's why it's very expensive. Wait me, huh? Okay. So that's why I heard already about ILA. That's probably the reason why Nu doesn't want to enroll in the ILA. That's probably the reason, right? Because it's very
Teacher,
expensive.
teacher,
Yes. Mm.
teacher. Do you want to study in at IOA?
No, I don't know. I don't know.
Uh,
Maybe that is what I thought that maybe no doesn't like to study there because it's very expensive. Yes.
yes, I can learn at Papadou, but um, but Papadou,
What is Papa do? What is Papa do?
Papadou like English school too.
So you learn Vietnamese? Okay, the Vietnamese, the other one, the Vietnamese teacher, it's online or what is your class in the Vietnamese teacher? The one who teach you English.
We in Papadou school we have teach assistant teacher and foreign teacher too.
In Papado. Not that expensive.
Teacher, I think uh I can study at Papadou school, but my class at Papadou school is change class schedule, so I can't study.
That's
So
the reason
so
why.
my parents changed to study LLA, but oh, it's very
It's your
expensive.
bird. Your bird is singing.
And a very like a very
Where is? Okay. Yes, yes,
uh
yes.
they are sleeping. They are sleeping.
They're sleeping. Okay, so that's maybe the reason that uh No doesn't like to study in ILA because that's very expensive. Yeah, okay, so that's why it's very expensive. That's probably the reason why. Okay, but you are rich. You have a lot of money,
No,
so
I'm
that's
not
why.
rich. I'm not rich.
Your grandma is rich. You told me your
I'm
grandma
very
is rich.
poor.
Your grandma is rich. You told me.
No, she was rich when she was young.
When she was young. Okay. Example now, wait me. I will have to. 17. Okay, wait ha. Dong to best. Okay, like like dong it's 40 million. Okay, example. One, two. Oh my God. It's very expensive me. It's 91,000. In my country, your tuition in ILA is 91 pesos, 91,000 pesos
Oh,
for 4 months. That's very expensive. Very, very expensive. That's 91 pesos.
yes. So I don't want to study.
But it's okay as long as your dad. Okay, who enroll you there? Your dad?
What?
Your dad enrolls you in ILA?
No, my parents.
Are your parents? Okay, how about
My dad,
Ken?
my mom.
How about Ken?
No, he didn't know everything. But when I have a test at ILS school, he know that he knew that.
Okay, how about he didn't study to any English school? Ken? He did not study to any English school?
She no, he studied at English school when he was like a child, like me.
Does he know how to speak English? Who is
Yeah.
better, you or Ken?
Um. Um. My my brother good at listening and I good and better speaking than him.
Oh yeah, because your dad told me once that your brother doesn't like to speak
Yeah,
English.
he's very quiet and
Quiet.
he doesn't doesn't confident.
Oh, he doesn't have any confidence. But your
Uh,
dad told me
my
that
my dad
me
my dad
teacher
want
is,
me
yeah,
my
your
dad
dad
want
wants.
my dad want me to study with you because you can like help me to confident.
Help your confidence. Okay.
I,
Yeah,
I
because
and every week I can like talk with foreign teacher.
yes, of course. That's very good. Because your dad told me that me is, he once asked me about how was me teacher. Okay, that was before. And I told him, me is very talkative. Me keeps on asking a lot of questions. Me wants to talk. Okay. And then he said, oh, that's me. That's why I really love me because me talks a lot. Okay. You talk a lot than
Teacher,
your brother.
how many
Yes.
students do you teach?
Uh-huh. Like Vietnamese?
No, every
All,
foreign like
I have
oh,
13 Vietnamese students, 13.
13
Okay, and then I have one, two, seven non-Vietnamese students, 20
and
all.
20
Seven,
all. And
20 all.
which student do you like best?
Mm-hmm. Like, I have an adult, and
Uh,
then,
Other?
yeah. That I like students, I like kids. But
Oh,
somehow, there's also Vietnamese kids here that who doesn't like to participate. While I am, example like us, we are talking. Okay. While other students, okay, doesn't like to talk. He always keeps on drawing and very busy. And then when teacher asks, he will try to off the camera and go somewhere and then turn on the camera again like that.
Uh,
Yeah, unlike you that when you
English,
speak up.
English.
Yes.
Okay.
So here, okay? So your brother is very quiet, me.
Yeah,
He
he's
does,
very quiet.
yeah, wait me, ha, wait me. Jeff, magklase ko pa siya. Chatra. Okay?
But
So,
tomorrow I will go to play.
oh, tomorrow you will go to we. Okay, I messaged Tono that Tono, are you home? Are you at home now? But Tono did not answer me. Ha 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 ha.
And
But Tono did not answer me. Like, okay, I will just message Tono later.
mm-hmm.
Okay, Tono, actually, the first time I am teaching Tono, it's rare because um I did not see Tono. Okay, Tono before is just very quiet, and
Uh,
then yeah, it doesn't. It's very hard for her to answer the reading. He is not really good at reading, but then as
she?
reading Tono. But
Uh,
now I can see that Tono improved because he know already he understands well in the reading. But and then I observe also that he cannot answer some of the question in the listening. But then now, okay, I am so happy because Tono were able to answer listening. Right. But of course, you are really far better than Tono because you can speak well. Okay, you talk a lot like that. So that's why my plan for Tono, I need to speak up to have speaking time for Tono because Tono is really far from you, and then the mother also told me already about that one. Yeah, that's why.
oh,
Yes. So what else, me? What else you want to speak up? Okay, tomorrow I know you're very excited.
yeah, I'm very
You're going to
excited.
hear. Okay, with your family, with your mom and dad.
Mm-hmm.
You're very happy. I guess
I,
you will
I,
be.
I will see you on Saturday and Sunday.
Yeah, you will see me on Saturday and Sunday. Oh, Friday. How about Friday?
Friday?
Mm.
But we have 3 lessons.
Ah, yeah. Okay, yeah, okay, okay. Okay, so I will
Monday
see you on Saturday and Sunday.
or
Okay?
or 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 Monday, Friday and Saturday.
Okay,
Okay?
Monday.
Friday,
Oh, Saturday. Sat
today, Friday and Saturday.
ah, yeah. Okay, we have lessons already. Okay, that's very good. Or at least you know already how to prioritize your study habit. Okay, very good, me. Okay, that's very good for you. Okay, so your brother is so quiet. You're very different from your brother. Your brother is quiet. Okay, actually, he
But
has
I
IELTS.
think he study very well.
He's there? He's there? He's there?
I think so.
Where's your brother? Your brother is there? Okay, let us not talk about your brother. Okay, let us talk about Tono. Okay, so Messi, yeah, Messi is really good in reading, but Messi's speaking skills needs to improve. Okay, I want Messi's speaking skills to improve. I want that. That's my plan. That's my dream for Messi because Messi
Teacher,
nowadays.
did Messi have free talking or developing?
No. So we are still in flyers. Oh, I will tell, probably I will have to use developing for Messi and Caroline too. So at least you will improve. Okay, the speaking skills. Okay, so developing is really for adults, but I guess it's really good for speaking. That's why I want Messi to try that one.
Oh, teacher, Messi is better at speaking than Tono or opposite?
Yeah, they're the same, just the same. Just the
Oh,
same. Yeah, they're just the same. Okay. They're just the same. Messi and Tono are just the same. Okay. Yeah, somebody texted me. Tomorrow he is we don't have class on Wednesday because it's Labor Day. Here, it's
yeah. We on Labor Day. I just go home. I just go home from today.
wow, that's your Labor Day. Yeah, it's May 1. May 1 is Labor Day.
Yeah, teacher.
Yes.
Teacher.
Mm.
We go for him.
Huh?
No, and Messi and me about 4 days. Huh? I will tell again. No, Tono, Messi, and me go to Huế for the
2 days.
Labor Day, for the Labor Day,
Wow.
for the Labor Day and the South Revolution.
Oh, what is South Revolution? I didn't know that. What is that?
I will write in the chat box.
Okay, yes.
Okay, I am in the chat box, teacher.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Revolution. Oh, 4:30,
Tomorrow,
April
tomorrow,
30. Tomorrow is
yeah,
revolutions. What is it,
yeah,
Ni? What event is that? It is about?
like the day, the day, uh, the people of the end of the world,
Oh.
the the end of the day.
Really?
And
Yeah.
send in the message in the chat box, in the chat box.
Yeah. Okay, uh April 30, 1975. Yeah, I get it.
Yeah,
I get it. You have revolutions. Yeah, I
yeah,
get.
the finish of um, of my country and the America of the world.
Oh, yeah, that's the revolutions. So you celebrated revolutions during the time. Oh, you
Yeah,
celebrated
Revolution
revolutions.
and Labor Day.
Oh, that's Labor Day. Labor Day, you don't need to go to work. That's Labor Day. Okay, yeah, I understand. Yeah, truly, I understand. Okay. Okay, so me tomorrow, teacher cannot see you and on Friday. I will see you on Saturday, right? Saturday and Sunday.
Sure.
Okay.
Teacher. I will send you my photo at Imperial City and my friend.
Yeah, you
Okay.
send me. Okay, yeah.
She also she also studied at LA school,
Oh,
and
really?
she as yeah she is very good at speaking.
Wow, you told her to study with me, to study with teacher. So I will know her. What is her name?
Okay.
What is her name?
Her name is Hung.
Huh? Is a girl?
Yeah.
Wow. You told Hang about teacher Anne. So she will gonna study with me. Okay. So you will meet and you tell me, okay, you have to send pictures. Okay?
Okay. I will send my picture send picture of me and her. Okay.
Okay, and then okay, I have challenge. Okay, in we here. In we, wait I will write here.
Okay. You will write in the chat box.
In we, I ask you to say something about the place. You record it or take a video. Take a video while you are speaking and you send it
I'm
to me.
speaking
And
about her.
hmm. Okay, so here you will gonna take a video. Okay, you are speaking about where, like you will say, "Hi, teacher Ann, I am Hui now. This place is very beautiful." You have to tell me about Hui, and somebody will take a video and you send it to me. Okay, that's your
Okay.
project.
Or
That's your
take,
project, speaking
take
project.
or take okay take my like about take photo or record
Yeah, picture, video. You will take a
a
video.
video
You will gonna talk. Example, you are there. I am your
I,
friend.
I, I,
Oh,
I will take a video and I will talk.
no, like this. Example like this. Example, I take a video like that. Tang, tang. Oh,
Yes,
and then,
I
hello.
mean I
Okay.
I mean that when I like um when I go to Hue and I take a video and I speaking.
Oh, you will speak. You will speak and you will tell me, hi,
Yeah,
teacher Ann. Oh, like blogger. Hi,
I will
teacher
talk
Ann.
about
I'm
Hue
Hue now.
when I take video.
Yeah, I am in Hue
Okay,
now. Hue is a beautiful place. Okay, look at here, my friends. Oh, you will gonna say that one, okay? This is speaking project, okay?
okay.
Yay! I am so excited to hear that. Okay? Yes. Okay, please send it to me. Okay? And then you tell your dad or your mom to take a video of you. Or maybe you can take a video of yourself. Oh, yeah, we do like that. Okay?
So
You speak.
I will take photo and I will talk with you and then I will send the video and I will send the photo. Okay?
Yes, correct. You tell me
Photo
about
of the view.
where. You tell me about where. Okay? Yay, very good. Okay. Thank you so much, me, for today. I will expect the photo and the video. Okay?
Okay. Bye
Bye-bye.
bye.
Enjoy tomorrow.
Okay. Bye bye.